Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video I explain how to log into Roblox and what you can do in case of login problems. After you have downloaded Roblox on your mobile phone or PC, open the app/program and enter your email or username as well as your password. The same works on your browser. Go to roblox.com, then click on login and enter your username or email and password again. It may happen that the login via the browser fails and an error message appears. The following tips should solve the problem. Go to your browser history, then click on Clear Browser Data and delete your cache and cookies. Restart your computer. If the problem persists, try a different browser. Sometimes Roblox is blocked by add-ons like antivirus or adblocker. If the problem persists, try deactivating these and restarting your PC. If the problem could not be solved, contact Roblox customer support. I hope the video has helped you. Thanks for listening and see you in the next video.